Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, and it's February 12th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend here. We got a light day today in terms of economic calendar, including tomorrow will be the same way. Most of our economic data will be coming out from Wednesday through the end of the week. We do got a lot actually coming in, a mixture, but the big one they're going to really be looking at is the CPI report coming out on Wednesday. Obviously, all the talk has been about inflation, so they're going to want to see what the CPI report will contain, if it shows a big spike in inflation or if it's going to be contained or how it's going to be rolled out. So stay tuned till Wednesday, but until then, we got the stock markets up. It rebounded a little bit on Friday after a pretty brutal week, even though it closed the week down, but it went up on Friday, and today is continuing. It was Dow was actually up around 300 at one point. Now then it would drop down to about 150ish, and now it's up to about 250ish range right now. So it's been kind of fluctuating a little bit in the stock market. This is kind of on the heels of this morning. President Trump announced infrastructure announcement. So they're going to be rolling out about $200 billion to states and cities for infrastructure repairs. So, for airports, streets, and stuff like that in terms of grants over the next 10 years. So they're to try to create some improvements in our infrastructure here, as he had mentioned here. Let's kind of jump over to the bond market. Bond market, it shows that we are down further, but the reality is we had a bond rollover on Friday night, so it was about 9 basis points. Now, right now we are testing this level, as we could see here. We wanted to stay above this level, but today, because the rollover, it pushed us down a little bit further. Right now, we're down about 9 basis points from where we left off on Friday here, and a lot of that is technically we would have been up here a lot further because we were down. It brought it down about 17 basis points, so we would actually be technically up there. Now, when we do these bond rollovers, it's basically it's a reset in the pricing, and there's no effect in terms of interest rates, pricing for interest rates, so there's really no effect on that. It's just that it's getting reset for the new month when they roll out the next set of bonds for to sell on Wall Street here. But right now we're pushing up against this line of resistance right here, and again, we're up just above it, kind of between these two resistance levels here. Let's see how the Treasury is. Treasury, again, we started out much higher at 290 this morning. Now we're down to about 280. I think it's 84 or 85 right now. So we're up a little bit for the day from where we left off on Friday. That's, of course, where the money's shifting from here. All right. So that's pretty much about it today. It's not a whole lot going on today again. Those are the main key points that we touched on. But if you guys want to get more data, just come over to Twitter. In case anything else pops up, I'll be putting it on Twitter. You can find me on my handle, Mike Bjork, on Twitter. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to see you guys on tomorrow. Bye-bye.